Our connection with the world, it all starts with a beam of light. Energy, environment, and networks connect cities and technology. Electricity carries the pulse of cities and industries. Energy transition has become the defining global challenge of our time. From start to finish, we integrate expertise and intelligence. Spanning design and manufacturing to power distribution, delivering meticulously tailored, custom system solutions, turning products into beacons that connect the world. Our passion for innovation drives us forward. At Horngyu, we do more than participate in the energy industry. We empower the future of energy to unlock greater possibilities. Our professional team is deeply rooted in the industry, ensuring every mission is delivered through uncompromising attention to detail. Horngyu stands with you, from blueprint to realization. Starting with smart factories, we connect cities, from renewable energy to microgrid deployment. Horngyu's vision is aligned with the world's advancing green energy, integrating carbon management with environmental sustainability and guiding enterprises toward the future through intelligent energy management systems. From the past to the future, the world has never stopped changing. And we continue to move forward, constantly refining ourselves. Together, we aim to light up the world with sustainability.